Hey everybody, what's going on? In this video, I will show you how to optimize Visual Studio Code for your RTcmix scripts, assuming you don't already have a decent text editor to work with. So the first thing we need to do is download Visual Studio Code from the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. So you should be able to download it for Mac for free. So once you have downloaded Visual Studio, you're gonna drag the app into the applications folder, and we're gonna open the app. And the first thing we want to do is go to this thing right here, go to extensions, and we are going to install two extensions. The first one is going to be the C and C++ extension, which is developed by Microsoft. And you're gonna see this green button. So you're gonna click on install. And what this extension is gonna do is it will allow Visual Studio to recognize C and C++ code syntax, which is the one that most resembles the one we use for RTcmix. And it will apply color coding to our scripts. Now the second extension that we're going to install is the Path IntelliSense extension, which is developed by Christian Kohler. We're gonna install it. And what this one does, it will make our lives easier when we need to type long file paths in our scripts, because it will have an autocomplete function. So now that these two extensions have been installed, we are going to open a new file by pressing Command N, and we're going to save this file as in the desktop. Let's name it vsctest.sco. And so what SEO stands for is score, and this is the file extension we're going to be using for our RTcmix scripts. Now let's save this thing, and we're just going to write a very simple single line RTcmix script. So let's type print, open parentheses, open quotation marks, and we're going to write any text that comes to mind. So I'm going to type what's up people, maybe Torres here. We're gonna save this. So if you don't understand what the print function does, don't panic. This is material that will be covered in other videos. Now if you don't understand this reference, that probably means we don't live in the same town, which is also fine. So what I do want you to notice is that this text right now is all in white color, and this is not very helpful for when we are trying to differentiate parts of the syntax. So what we need to do is press Shift Command P. We are going to look for change color. Sorry, we're going to type. Let's press Shift Command P again, search for color theme, and we're going to make sure that the Monokai color theme is selected. You can change this later if you want, but for now just make sure it's Monokai. Then we're going to press Shift Command P again and type language mode, change language mode, and we're going to click where it says configure file association for .sco, and in here we're gonna click on C. And so what this is going to do is make sure that every time you save a file as a .sco, it will recognize the syntax as being written in C language. And so we should be able to see that our script is now color coded, differentiating with green the word print, which is a function from the light sort of yellow text, which will be referred to as a string. And so that's pretty much what I wanted to do in this tutorial. Now we're ready to move to the next one. Don't forget to leave questions or comments if you have any, and thanks for watching.